Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be a special one. As you can tell by the title and thumbnail, we're taking two of my best friends dirt bike riding. Now, if you guys watch my channel, you know who Cody and Lucas are, but if you don't, you're gonna meet them today and they're gonna hop on the bikes and we're gonna teach them how to ride. Now, we do have everything loaded up, as you can see. We're running a little late this time, but we're not behind like we usually are. Now, here's the sketchy part. It rained all night last night, and I'm telling you guys, it's gonna be soaking wet, but we're gonna take it slow and easy. But we are waiting for Cody and Lucas to get here, so I will pick you guys up later, so stay tuned. We got the trailer squatting a little bit with the big 2500, but everybody's here and we're about to hit the road.
That's gonna fall no matter where you put it.
No, it's good, it's good.
It's gonna fall back.
No, it's right there. I'm just wondering if they'll get me and Lucas.
Oh, it wasn't gonna fall.
All right. Okay. All right. Are y'all excited? Answer my question before it falls. Hurry.
I'm excited, yes.
You're excited?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right, interview's over.
That was the worst interview ever.
All right, boys, we have made it, and it is absolutely freezing out here. It's actually not that wet outside, so that's a little relieving, but we're gonna suit up, get the bikes out, warm them up, and then I'll catch you guys on the GoPro.
My guy, this is taking way too long. He keeps forgetting everything.
All right, guys, here we go. We're going out for our first rip. We're gonna be following Cody. Man, this bike's so short now that I'm not on my new suspension. So you guys may be asking yourself, Ryan, why the hell are you on Seth's 250R? Well, the reason is because I wanted to take my friends riding. They obviously don't have dirt bikes, and this bike isn't mine to offer up. Cody is on my dad's 250, so that technically is, you know, it's my dad's, but I asked him and he was okay with it. And obviously Seth doesn't know Lucas, so that's why I'm riding this bike. If Lucas does good on my 450, then I might let him ride this bike, because Lucas actually used to have a 250R. I think he had a 2012 or 2013 model, but he did used to have a 250R, so he's ridden before. He's not new to this. Cody is brand new. He's never ridden anything, but Lucas has ridden street bikes and dirt bikes, and so he's good. He's never ridden a race bike 450. I think he said he rode a 450X one time, but that's why we're kind of riding around the parking lot, letting Cody get used to it, letting Lucas get used to the throttle of a 450. This bike does not like to shift, dude. Put your foot on the pegs. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I am a horrible teacher. I've always been bad at explaining things to people, so I'm doing the best I can, but I'm not very good at it. Oh my God, there's an old Cadillac up there or something. Someone just wrecked their car and left it, I guess. He's doing good so far. He's just got to get used to that throttle. He's balancing well. Oh my God. Hey! You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Hey, grip with your knees. What happened?
Did you see me?
Yeah, I saw you went rop and almost went to a tree.
That big ass drop off up there?
You got scared?
Dude, I want to.
He whiskey throttled, and right where it dropped down, he grabbed the brakes, and I thought he was about to jump off of it.
I stopped right before the big one, like down the first one.
This trail's fun. Then the ruts are great. You know, I really didn't like the way these Hondas sat, but once I started riding them again, they're not bad. I kind of got used to it.
They're starting to get toasty and all these.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I'm not cold no more.
Yeah. You don't really think about it.
No.
All right, you ready to keep going? Hey, by the way, I'm just saying, the less mud puddles you go through, the less we have to spray off when we get home.
Hey, this one just swings it. This one just swings it. It's not my fault.
Hey, guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Kill switch.
Gonna kill switch.
Alright guys, here's what happened, okay? My GoPro actually ended up dying for whatever reason. We've only been riding for, I don't know, maybe an hour. I don't know. I don't feel like the battery should have died that fast. I don't know if it's because it's cold or it's because of the GoPro or the battery or what, but I swapped the batteries. This is my last one, so hopefully it doesn't die on me like last time. Cody's doing good, still trying to get used to the throttle. Lucas is actually doing amazing, which, I mean, I expected, because he had a dirt bike, so he knows how to ride. So I'm actually back on my Cowie. I'm letting him ride Seth's bike because I trust him and he knows what he's doing, so I'm not worried about it. If anything breaks, I can pay for it. We back on the green one, boys. Go with the green one. Plus, honestly, that 250 is easier to ride than this 450, so it's probably actually safer for him to be on that than this. But right now, we're gonna go to the kiddie track. We've been riding the trails for a little bit and trying to get Cody used to the bike, so we're gonna go to the track. I said the track, but it's just a little kiddie loop, so we're going to go there and let him kind of see the more open, like berms kind of deal, and go from there. They only close them because it's wet and they're not wet anymore. I can't. Ah. Ah. I'm gonna spray the hell out of Lucas here. Yeah, we're gonna go out. This is still too wet.
This bike better.
Well, not better.
Not better, but like I'm so familiar with it. It's like.
Yeah. I was telling you, it's probably safer for you to ride that one than this one.
Probably this one. Hey, we tell them that we're busy.
I got you. Yeah, the track I was on was not like this because it had pebbles in it. This is all dirt.
Oh.
Come on. Why do you stop 20 yards away from us? No, it's too wet.
I almost lost it right there.
Yeah, we know. You're gonna have to duck. Nice. Hopefully this one will be a little bit better. It's not bad. I almost lost the front end. Did you hear me scream? I jumped that jump and then went across the water. It's so deep right there. You want to do the beginner trail again? The one we've done 5 times? Do you want to go by yourself?
Yeah, I think I can do it myself.
Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable? Okay. You want to follow me?
Right, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. You ready? I just did a burnout on him. My only goal is to roost Cody as much as possible. Alright, so we're gonna go and haul ass down the beginner's trail, and Cody's gonna try and do it by himself. So me and Lucas are gonna ride this, and Cody's gonna putt through it and do it by himself and hopefully get through, and then we'll circle back around and check on him. You good? You ready? Alright, this trail is really fun, guys. It's got a bunch of ruts that are just really good, and it's all dry. It's got some water spots here and there, but overall it's pretty decent. They do have some pretty good trails here, I will give them that. And the ruts are awesome. The tracks here are just kind of like, they're not any good and they don't really groom them, but the trails are fun, and that's what the place is known for, so. Ah! It is slick in some places, but it's good to burn blast. Oh, I love this bike, dude. So much fun. Although, in conditions like these, it's all spin. Ah! I almost slid out. Where the hell did Coder go? Where's he at? I figured we would have circled back to him. You go that way, I'm gonna look down that way, just in case, because me and him went down that way. Well, Mission Find Cody is now in full operation. If he would have laid it down or something, we would have seen him on the trail. Well, he's not down this way, so I guess we'll turn back around and try and catch up to Lucas then. Shortcut. Oh, that is a straight down drop. Not going that way. We are going this way. Yay. Do I bark busters? All right, we're good. What the hell just happened? Was that a rock? I don't know if you guys heard that. I just like jumped down that thing and it like made a bad noise. Dude, where did, oh, there's Lucas. I guess let's go to the truck. Dude, what? I'm so confused. Oh, there he is. Maybe he's riding fast. Where did you go? Where'd you go?
I just kept going around.
You just kept doing circles?
Yeah.
Me and Lucas circled around like 3 times trying to find you.
Keep up.
Yeah. Arm pump. I don't know how we didn't find him. He said he just kept doing circles. I circled around like 3 times.
Going pretty good, and then I got off and you were right behind me. So where did
I don't know.
he must have been right in front of me.
Why is there a grill right there? Y'all trying to cook some burgers? Alright guys, so get this crap, dude. I'm gonna go down the drag strip and tell you guys what happened. Basically what happened is I haven't been recording this whole time. We've been riding for a good 3 hours and I haven't been recording. Turned on my GoPro and it died on me. And I was so confused what happened because it had been off. Well, turns out I did some research. I got real mad at the GoPro, so I had a little temper tantrum. Turns out there's a setting on the GoPro where you can talk to the GoPro to turn it on. And so even when you turn the GoPro off, it's still on at all times. So that sucks. But at least we got to film earlier in the day and you guys got to see us ride a little bit. But But we're gonna head back to the truck. We're gonna do a pass, and it's getting dark, as you guys can tell. So we're gonna head back and possibly hit the track one time. And yeah, let's do a run on the dragster. Small problem. Just as my GoPro died, my bike ran out of gas. I'm not kidding. Well, looks like we're going on an adventure. We gotta go back and get the gas can, I guess. Will you get closer to the action, please?
No, because you fill the whole screen up right now.
Is that a fat joke?
No, it wasn't, but it is now.
All right, boys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know there wasn't a ton of riding because my GoPro decided to go full dummy mode, but we ended up running out of gas, which is kind of crazy. Didn't expect that to happen. I wasn't even thinking about it. Did you guys have fun?
Oh
Yes.
We succeeded. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video.
I busted my ass a few times, but I learned from it.
Don't be stalling over here.
You're never allowed to come again.
Yeah, ever.
Yeah. Don't ever say that again.
Still on
too.
the Sea Boys, okay?
Is that what they say? Do they say dummy? See, boys, like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed. I apologize if it's a little short. It's because of the GoPro thing. I already went over that. What else should I say? Bye?
Nah. Show me Pecker.
I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.